Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I plan to do an unboxing on Pixel Car Racer. And I mean, I'm not really shooting for anything major, just hoping to get some of these wraps, as all the ones right here are all limited and you can only get them from the crates. So here we go, let's start this off. 79 crate opening. Okay guys, that's all of my crates, and as you can see throughout the crate opening, my Mustang has received the glitch. And let me fix that. There you go. As you can see, we got a good bit of these exclusive wraps. A couple of them are pretty nice. Nothing too extreme, but can't complain. Got a good bit of Kawais. Got another Red Dragon, and the Rusty Spoon, the Get Nuts. Nothing too crazy on this unboxing here. Let's take a look at the rims, as there are always a lot of rims on every unboxing. Nothing too crazy throughout these. Just a couple more here and there. Like I said, yeah, there's nothing too crazy here. Just really wanted more out of these crates. I believe that'll do it for this episode.